We're putting a jumbo-sized Dorito in there for some reason. I don't know why.
I don't know how long to put it in there.
Just put it in for 1 minute.
And
See,
I think
the Dorito is...
no, it hurts your eyes. You're not supposed to look at
There you go, see? It's better.
I think it is-
constant breathing on me, so we're all cramped up in the corner. I think I'm tall. So push it
that.
back.
Okay.
Oh!
Hey!
What was that?
You guys saw me! Oh, it smells... Oh,
What happened? No, don't put it back in there, you dummy.
oh, it smells so bad. Oh, check the outside. Flip it over, flip it over, flip it over. I want to see if it burnt. Wait, you guys saw that, right?
We have to redo that.
I need to replay that for
Tongues?